You can connect your Robo E3 Pro printer to RoboCloud to wirelessly send 3D models from your computer to your Robo E3 Pro printer. The first thing you need to do is go to cloud.robo3d.com and either log in or sign up for an account. If you're registering for an account the first time, it will ask you for an activation code. This is something that will be emailed to you when you click Get Activation Code. That way you can verify that your email is in fact real. Once you've logged in, the first thing you're going to do is go to My Printer. Simply click Add Printer and give your printer a name, which, as you can see here, we also labeled the printer with using a label maker. Next, it asks for a registration code for your printer. And this is a code you can get on the machine itself. So heading over to your printer, the first thing you need to do is make sure it's connected to the internet. So look for either a Wi-Fi or Ethernet symbol in the top corner. Then click on Tools, followed by Settings. Scroll down and click Cloud. From this screen, you have multiple cloud options. So today we're going to go into RoboCloud and toggle it on in the top right corner. When you do so, you will get a registration code that you can type in on your computer into the website. Once you've typed it in, click OK, and your printer will be added to your account. Now, it may at first show up as offline, but as long as you check your printer and see that you have a little cloud with an R in it, it means you're connected. It will realize it's online by the time you go to print. So to do that, you need to go into My Model, and this is where you get to upload models that either you or your students have created, or ones you found out online. So first, click Upload Model, and from there you can choose model files that are saved already on your computer. When you're done, click Upload and close the screen. Once you've found your object that you'd like to print, select it, and it will show you a preview of the model so you can look around and view it from different angles. Clicking Print will give you then the option to select one of your printers that's connected to your account. So I'm going to make sure I have the printer I want selected from my drop-down menu, and I'll be able to see my object here in full scale and location on the build plate. Now, if this is a model you found online, it may not be on the build plate, so you may need to move it over first using the Move, Rotate, or Scale commands that are built in. You can also go into Print Settings and adjust some basic settings such as the quality or whether or not you are using wraps or supports on your model. If you're not sure whether your model needs it, just leave them enabled. Once you've finished setting up your ready-to-go print settings, clicking Print will queue it into a line where you can send multiple items to wait to print. If you have multiple items in your queue, you can move this one to the front of the line by clicking on the arrow with the line above it. That will move your object to the front of the queue, and when you click Start, it will send the model to your printer, and you have sent your first print from RoboCloud. Thanks for watching.